Get your dog ready for a walk and pretend like you forgot them.
Hi, Jim.
Watch my puppy fake a broken leg.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for this fucking family. But you know, you guys have a great day, just sitting around doing nothing, sleeping all day. You know, all of that. Yeah, just just enjoy yourselves.
Šta ste to radili? Dođi Lima, odi. Dođi, pomoću.
I'm sorry for shedding, but shedding's what I do. Doggy hairs are everywhere and they're all over you. I still think I'm pretty, you think I'm pretty too. Now I'm just gonna sit right